So in this video, I'm going to be discussing about how to find and refer friends. Well, referral using a Cash App code. I'm pretty much just going to go through the process of what I found and try to walk you through it as much as possible as I can. So first off, when how to pretty much find the code and invite them and so forth. First of all, you have to download the Cash App. So you gotta download it first of all. And then if you invite friends, you get $5 off. So first of all, you have to invite friends and you get the $5. And so it says it right here, invite your friends and we'll send you both $5 when they try Cash App. So I believe this is a link that you can use, for send them, as far as what's going to direct them to so select anyone from your contact list to invite them. Somebody that already doesn't use Cash App, and it lets you know right off the bat if somebody uses Cash App or doesn't use Cash App. So you will go to a person that doesn't use Cash App and you will tap invite. So let's see, I guess I'll use mine. Okay, and then invite. Yeah. So fast. Okay, so it directed them. Okay, so what it did is just directly had a whole paragraph on what to do and how you should, well, not how you should, but so basically what I saw was that it sent a text message letting them know hey, use this Cash App and that you'll get $5 as well, and it directs them, gives them a website to direct them to open the app on their phone. So I'm probably gonna get a call from my aunt saying, what did you just send me? And then if they follow the link within a text or email to create a new Cash App account, and when they sign up for a new Cash App account, they'll be able to enter your unique reward code from the setting page of the app so that you both can get credit for the referral. Well, your reward code is a combination of numbers and letters at the end of your invitation link, and it can be shared directly from the app or online. And in order for you and your friends to get $5, they must send $5 to another friend using a newly linked debit card within 14 days, and also make sure that they use the code. So let me see if I can try to do this again. There we go. So I wasn't trying to go so fast. So I believe at the end, that's the code that you have to use, and then they'll send it to you. And then, but it says a combination of numbers and letters, so they'll be able to enter your unique reward code from the setting page. So you will go on the setting page and then you'll enter my combination code at the end of it. So hope I explained that thoroughly.